Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word Heidenstam. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The poet Werner von Heidenstam was known for his lyrical and evocative works. Heidenstam is a Swedish poet and writer known for his romantic and nationalistic poetry that deeply influenced Swedish literature in the late 19th century. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.